Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up multiple users accounts on Android. So let's get to it. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you are going to click on accounts and backup setting. It's over here, so just tap on it and just click on manage accounts right here. And after that, you can add new account to your Android by clicking on this add account button. But if you want to remove the account, you can simply click on the account that you want to remove. For example, I'm going to remove this Google account, so just tap on the Google account, then click on remove account right here. And if you want to sync the account, you can click on sync account right here and just select the option or the application that you want to sync. You can click on this toggle button. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage or set up multiple user accounts on Android. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.